SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical.
I've been waiting a long time for this one, and I have to say, Renko, that of all the things Zastava has ever brought into the U.S., this is right up there for me with like the original M70. We're talking about the M85 and 300 Blackout, which makes so much sense because you can basically use everything from the original M85. All you have to do is kind of swap the barrel out and tune the gas a little bit. So we are looking at the 300 Blackout M85. Tell me everything that I need to know about it.
Right, can I tell your viewers everything?
Everything.
All the truth behind this?
Yeah.
Okay, New Orleans, a few months ago, my friend James Reeves asked me, Ranko, do you think you're gonna ever release a 300 Blackout? I said never, and then I went home and then started working right away on it. So it's almost done. The work now that we have to do redesigning the gas system is because of our Zvuk suppressor is so good that it doesn't work on a 300 Blackout. There's no back
There's
pressure.
not enough back pressure.
Yeah, but we have solutions, and we are looking to release it probably within a couple months. It's going to be released, and you're going to be the first one to know about it.
And just thinking out loud, and we'll name drop here that we have the M90 with the 16-inch barrel.
Yes.
But I mean, you know, maybe you could even integrate the adjustable gas system from the M90 into the M. I don't know.
It's a 10-inch barrel. It needs more pressure, and then we have ideas. It's been done before, so we're gonna get it done.
Now, let's say you do make this happen. Would it be like priced roughly the same as the M85? You think?
No, it's going to be a little bit more because the gas system has to be redesigned,
right.
and
there's going to be some R&D costs and
yes.
some testing costs that goes into that. Do we really think that this could happen maybe even this year?
Yeah, it will. If it happens, it's going to happen this year. And we really want to make it work with our suppressor. Some other suppressors will work on this because of the higher back pressure. But we want to make because we have the quietest suppressor, we want to have a quietest rifle or gun, hose gun. Yeah.
Now, talk to me about just the basics. Barrel length. It's going to come, I assume, with this trunnion.
Yeah.
Like, how are we going to configure this?
So I would say very similar to this, plus maybe different handguards to allow, and then we'll have a Picatinny rail here. I think this is a pretty good setup. We'll just put different handguards in the rail to allow more accessories on the gun.
Barrel length is what?
10-inch.
10-inch barrel, chrome lined?
Yes.
Is it actually made in Serbia?
No, it's not. It's made in the United States.
Yeah, that's fine. You know, it's like I figure, and you know, that's good because that gets you like a compliance part as well. And that's part of the conversation we had because, you know, I said, look, it's going to be a lot easier for you to source these in the U.S. than it would be from the factory in Serbia. But everything else, most importantly, the internals are going to be M85 from Serbia.
Yes, from Serbia. Steel magazine is from Serbia. Everything else.
Well, look, I know, Renko, because this is kind of theoretical, you didn't really want to talk very much about this one as more of the other things, but we discussed this. We really did. We discussed this a few months ago. Yeah. Oh, yeah, over breakfast.
You buy me a breakfast, yeah.
That's it. Then I get it. And I mean that this is the most exciting thing that I've seen coming from Zastava since the original M70. Thank you, as usual. Thank you for being my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you for speaking with us here on TFBTV. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2026.